Good morning. Today is Tuesday, day 2 of our lesson. Right? And we are going to start with our R-controlled vowels. Say them with me. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Vowel teams. A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A. E-E, jeep, E. E-A, eat, E. E-Y, key, E. O-I, coin, oi. O-Y, boy, oi. O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. O-W, plow, ow. O-W, snow, O. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, oo. O-O, school, oo. O-O, book, U-E, blue, oo. U-E, rescue, U. E-W, chew, oo. A-U, August, A-W, saw, Excellent. Okay, so yesterday we talked about 2-syllable words using closed syllables. So we're going to talk more about 2-syllable words today. Yesterday we focused on dividing the word between 2 consonants. So for example, if I were to write the word bed bug, I would write bed bug. There are 2 vowels in the word, E and U, and there's 2 consonants. So we split it between the 2 consonants. And the first breath says bed. So we split bed, bug. Right? And that is a closed syllable with a short vowel. Today, we're actually going to work on a couple words, not many, just a few, that don't have 2 consonants. So what do we do when a word doesn't have 2 consonants? Well, we're actually going to start with our word of the day, which only has 1 consonant in it between 2 vowels. And our word of the day is limit. Say limit. Limit. What is limit? What does that mean? Does anybody know what a limit is? Maybe you've heard the word in the sentence, you'll have a time limit on your iPad, or we have a time limit on this game we can play. So a limit is a point which it's not possible to go, a point beyond which it is not possible to go. So maybe there's a limit of only 5 ice cream cones per person. That's a pretty good limit, right? But you can only take 5. You can't take any more than that. So it's something you can't go past. We have a 25-minute limit to eat lunch every day. I think it's a little less, isn't it? Right? So we have a 20-minute limit to eat lunch every day. That's what limit means. So let's figure out, how do we break apart limit? There's only 1 consonant. So let's say it. Put your hand on your belly and say lim it. Where do you feel your belly go up and down? Well, I felt lim in one breath, it in the other breath. So I'm going to write it here. Lim it. All right, so my first syllable is lim, and my second syllable is it. And there's 2 I's. So there's my vowel and my other vowel separated by my consonant. Now I wrote it in these boxes because if we were at school, I would have had magnetic white frames, just like our yellow suffix frame, to use. And I would have written 1 part on the one white frame and 1 part on the other white frame. Since I don't have them, I drew my boxes instead. So I want to make sure that you remember that when we're saying 2-syllable words, we're saying the whole syllable and spelling the syllable and getting away from tapping the sound. Now you can still tap the sound if you're like, oh, I don't remember how to spell lim. L-im would be the first syllable. It would be the second syllable. You could do that, but let's try to get away from that and really think about limit. That'll help you with spelling bigger words. All right, let's do another one. Let's say bathtub. Put your hand on your belly. Bathtub. So what's the first syllable going to be? Bath. What's the second syllable? Tub. What do you notice about this? Bathtub's a little different, huh? So what I'm noticing is there's 1, 2, 3 consonants between our two vowels. But that's okay because bath is in one breath. And we know that TH is a digraph. So it's 2 letters that make one sound. So bath, bath, tub. So we would split our word, between the digraph and the other consonant. Okay, bathtub. All right, let's do a couple more. And then we'll mark some. All right, so let's do admit. Mrs. McQuillan asked me to admit that I took the cookie from the cookie jar. Admit. Okay, so now admit's a funny word because when you say it quickly, you might not hear the vowel sound. Admit. But it's admit. Admit. So let's write it. Admit. One syllable, 2 syllables. What about undid? Undid. 2 syllables. And now just so we're clear, when I push it together, I have my word. Admit, undid. I'm only separating it to show you the 2 syllable parts. All right, let's do some marking. So I'm going to get rid of my syllable boxes. All right, suntan, suntan, sun, tan. All right, there's my 2 vowels, my 2 consonants. Sun, tan. Closed syllables, short vowels. We put a brev over our vowels. Say humbug. 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 There you go. I hope you are marking along with me. Now, the next word is another word that has a digraph in the middle of it. Say backstop, right? A backstop, I believe, is something in baseball. Backstop. Back. Let's tap back. 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 There's my CK to digraph. Stop. 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 And there's a blend in it. So even though that's one word, it's still 2 syllables. So we are going to break the word after the first syllable. Back, stop. And because CK is a digraph, it's one sound. And ST is a blend, it's one sound. So that's why we break it between the 2 consonant sounds. All right, and one more that's a little funky. Let's say dentist. 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 Sorry, I forgot to finish marking these ones. Dentist. Okay, and there's a blend at the end there. All right, ooh, that was a lot of 2 syllable words. Okay, so remember, if you have a word like suntan, you split the word between the 2 consonants that separate our vowels. If you only have one consonant, you split it after the first syllable. Undid. You naturally kind of take a breath there. Undid. And it's still a closed vowel because this consonant is closing in that vowel. Okay, and if you have a word with a digraph in it, it's still one sound. Bath, tub. Bath is our first syllable, tub is our second syllable. All right, so those are different examples of 2-syllable words. Okay, so what I'd like you to send me is on a piece of paper or a whiteboard or whatever you have to write with. I'm going to give you 5 words I would like you to send me today so that I know you are understanding how to segment or separate 2-syllable words. The first word is tip-top. Tip-top. The second word is cobweb. Cobweb. The third word is goblin. Goblin. The fourth word is nutmeg. Nutmeg. And the fifth word is contest. Contest. And there's a blend at the end of that one. All right. See you tomorrow.